Come test drive the 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.